the objective of the session is to majorly understand different product management interview formats and questions. How do we, what kind of questions are being asked? What is the objective of those questions generally? And to certain extent, we will also understand how do we approach them. So these are in kind of exhaustive, but not completely. There can be other formats as well, but these are widely used interview formats or questions which you may come across in your different product management interviews, and then these are generally the stages also in certain cases. So if I may talk about Microsoft has a loop round interview where they take 2 rounds of interview mandatorily, and based on that they decide whether you go for third or fourth round of interview. That's how they do. So first 2 rounds are non-eliminating, and then if you pass in one, if you fail in second, you still go to third round. If you pass in both, you go to third round. If you don't pass in both, you don't go to the next round. That's how it goes. So in one round it could be product science, RCA, behavioral. That's how it progresses with Amazon. Similarly, it goes for Flipkart and Google also. For Amazon, yes, it goes on these lines, but Amazon also assess you based on their 14 principles. They have set up the 14 principles of Amazon, and they completely check the interviewee of candidate completely how aligned he is on those 14 principles of Amazon. So that is very important aspect if at all you're looking for Amazon, that you imbibe those 14 principles in yourself, or you relate yourself entirely on those principles. So these are like a list of like product science, product design, behavioral, RCA, guesstimates, cross-functional expertise, product strategy, and then roadmap. So these are the major questions. One of the major part, if I talk generally about the startups in India, the interviews are majorly on the other parts. The reason I'm telling that is because they end up asking more of a profile-based interview, taking profile-based interview, then dig deeper into what you've done in past, and then understand on the reverse side how did you go about doing the roadmap, how do you go about the feature prioritization, what is your behavioral aspect. That's how they generally go, and then they do the mix and match with other aspects. So the structure is not actually quite structured in very early stage startup or a mid stage startup in India. That's how it goes. But if you go about a company which is well set up, and there is it's a late Series D, Series E funded, or companies like Flipkart, Myntra, Cult Fate, these companies have set up their product management interview process very structured manner, where you may go to 3 to 4 rounds of interview or even 5 rounds of interview. That's how they go. And for sure, one thing which will be very clear is the round would completely depend on let's say the first round is product science, the second round would be product design. That's how they will normally assess you. So the round there would be very less overlapping in terms of understanding of the product management.